Good morning, everyone. I am going to save you a trip to the car dealership today with your Hyundai Genesis sedan. How many of you have door locks that don't do anything? Yeah, me too. Took me a few minutes to figure out this one. Not really sure what Hyundai's got going on with their CAN communication system for their door lock actuators and whatnot, but we're gonna fix it real quick. So if your door locks don't work by the passenger switch or by the key fob, but they do seem to have driver door functionality, check this out. This is your OBD2 fuse holder. Pull that sucker out, and I'm just gonna disconnect something to show you. Okay. This connector, two reds, a blue and a white, which plugs in right here in the body control module. You're gonna unplug that for about 60 seconds. It is kind of tough to unplug. You don't actually have to pull it out all the way. If you just push this tab and kind of give it a little shove back, it will go. Now, if I can get this dang thing back in. Bam, something like that. Reinstall this. Let's give this a go. Driver 1 still works. Hey, how about that? But now, let's see if they work with the key fob. Bam. Brand new Hyundai Genesis locks. Save yourself about, I don't know, half a day's worth of aggravation. Fix the door locks on your Genesis by yourself.